Find someone on Instagram without knowing their username. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to find someone on Instagram without knowing their username. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are logged in, and now tap on the search bar you see there and search a place where the person could have been or tagged. As you can see, there are a lot of pictures from people who use this tag on their picture. Now tap on tags on the top right of your screen. From here you can search through the text. Also, you can check places on the right. Now, just tap on the location of the place where the person could have been. That way, if they put a picture using that particular place, then you will be able to find them. So this is how you can find someone on Instagram without knowing their username. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.